guys, it's Kat, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Pokemon Otter Pop cozy. You're not going to need much. You're just going to need your E hook, your G hook, tapestry needle, hot glue, or you can sew this on. You're going to need your, you're going to need your worsted weight yarn in white, black, and red, your choice. I'm using Red Heart with Love Holly Berry, Red Heart with Love Black, and Red Heart with Love White. Okay, so let's start. We're going to get our G hook, and we're going to start with our white yarn. And what you're going to do first is you're going to chain 9, but first you're going to start with a slip knot. And the slip knot is like so. You insert your hook, you grab your yarn, and you pull up a loop, and you tighten, but you don't want to make it too tight. And then you chain 9, and a chain 9 is yarn over, and you pull through. Yarn over, and pull through. So that was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then you're going to half double crochet into the second chain from your hook. Not this one, but this one. So you're going to yarn over. You're going to insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and you're going to pull through all 3 loops. So yarn over, you go into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. So you're going to do that all the way across, and you're going to have 8 half double crochet. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you're going to turn your work, and you're going to work on the opposite side of the chain. And you pretty much already have holes where you made your stitches already. So you're going to half double crochet into the first stitch, and then all the way across. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you're going to slip stitch to your very first stitch, which is right there. And you're going to grab your yarn, you're going to pull through, and chain 1. Okay, so you're going to do, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of half double crochet. So you're going to do 1 more round, or I'm sorry, you're going to do 4 more rounds, because we did 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you need to do 4 more rounds of half double crochet, and you're going to have 16 all together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Slip stitch to your very first stitch. Oops. Chain 1. So that was 2, so we need 3 more, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, so we need 3 more rounds of half double crochet in white. Okay, so I did my 5 rounds of white. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I slip stitched to my first stitch, but I did not chain 1 because we are going to change to black yarn. So we're going to get our black yarn. And this is how I changed the color of my yarn. I just kind of put it through, and then chain 1. And then you just do 1 round of half double crochet in the black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, and you're going to you're going to slip stitch to your very first one. Do not chain 1 because you're now going to chain, blah, blah, blah. I had a brouhaha, so now I can't speak. You're going to switch to your red yarn. Same way you did your black, and chain 1. Okay, and then I kind of tighten. Okay, and then you're going to half double crochet all around again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, slip stitch, chain 1, and you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds in total. So we just did 1. Let's do 4 more rounds of half double crochet. Okay, so I did 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm on my 5th one, and I'm going to slip stitch to my very first stitch here, chain 1. And then I'm going to single crochet around the top here just to kind of finish it off. So single crochet is you insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. You're going to slip stitch, chain 1, and cut off. I already cut off my black and white, and I'm just going to cut off my red. Okay, I'm going to put that aside, and we'll finish that one off in a minute. And now we're going to get our E-hook, and I want to say, I think it's a 3 point, oh, you know, what? Oh, you'll be okay. Let's see. 3.5 E-hook, yeah. So either one, 3.5 E-hook. I've kind of noticed that this one is a little bit more pokey, and it seems to catch the yarn, kind of. And then this one is a little bit more smooth. It doesn't seem to catch the yarn. My kid's choking out in the pool. So for the circle, you're going to take your E-hook and your white yarn, and you're going to use a magic circle. And a magic circle is like so. You're going to kind of go over, and I just hold it. And you're going to start with a like a beginning chain. So you're going to grab your yarn, pull up a loop, and then you're going to chain 1. And you're going to make 8 half double crochet in the circle. So we know how to make half double crochets, but we're going to make them inside the circle now. So we're going to go in the circle. That was 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, Come on. This yarn is killing me today. What did I just say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And once you have your 8 half double crochets, you're going to take your little tail here and you're going to pull it and cinch it closed. And you're going to slip stitch it to your very first stitch. Get in there. Okay, and slip stitch. And no, we're going to change to black yarn now, so don't chain one. Okay, I found my end. And you're going to do 2 single crochet in each. So attach your new color like normal. Chain 1. Tighten your little ends here. And you're going to do 2 single crochet in each of the stitch. So 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then when I get to the last one, you can either do the 2 in there, or this is what I do, just kind of, I found it to kind of leave it a little bit more cleaner. So I do the single crochet in there, and then I go into this one right here. Single crochet, and then I slip stitch to my very first one. Chain 1, and you can either leave a long enough tail for you to sew on, or what I like to do, I'm just going to hot glue it on. So I don't leave a super long tail, so I cut off my black and my white. Okay. So it's like that. Ta-da. Okay, so now let's weave in all our ends. Okay, so I weaved in all my ends. Excuse my kids screaming in the background. Weaved in all my ends, and like I said, I'm gonna hot glue mine to the front here. But you can sew yours on. I just find it easier because it's such a small area to work with. So you hot glue it on and you got it. So there you have it. You have some Pokemon Ball Otter Pop cozies for your kiddos. Hope you guys like it. Make it. Share what you got. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.